let's talk about castor oil and eczema. Hi, my name is Alison. I'm the founder of Castorvida. I'm a nutritional therapist, and today I'd love to share with you how castor oil can help support you if you're struggling with eczema. Castor oil is extremely nourishing. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which gives it powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So great if you're struggling with any flare-ups, redness, sores, or any irritation. Castor oil also acts as a natural barrier, locking in the moisture, and can also help repair the skin's protective layer. Castor oil is really great if you have any sores, cracks, if it's itching and irritating. Castor oil is soothing and really thick. A little goes a long way. For a more holistic approach, a castor oil compress can help support the detox pathways and can help reduce inflammation systemically, which can often show up on the skin. So if you're navigating eczema and you're looking for a more natural, supportive option, castor oil really is worth exploring.